How you going, guys? Today we're going to be installing an awning above the door there. We got it off Gumtree, obviously pretty cheap. Everything we get for the bus is secondhand pretty much. Came off a little pop top, so it's only got 3 mounts, but we're going to cut the mounts in half so we can turn it into 6 mounts, and then we can mount them securely to 6 positions on the bus here, just above the door there. Then we're going to get a slightly bigger one and mount that just above this one, but above the windows there. There's little mounts that come with the awning, but the bus only has a 40mm frame, so what I'm going to do is cut these in half, which means I'll get 2 mounting supports out of 1 frame. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now we've got these little half brackets, half supports. They're going to fit onto the bus frames much easier, and we're going to have obviously more of these located securely onto the bus frame rather than 3 that would be only half secured, which I'm more happy about, I suppose. So yeah, let's get them up there. So yeah, we finally got it fitted. Just had to muck around, get it fitted into the slots. Now we're going to wind it out because we want to make sure we got it slided across. So we got it located so when the legs come down, they're going to locate in the right spot. So yeah, we'll wind it out, find out roughly where we need it, and then we can pop rivet the actual unit to the frame, and then it'll be all locked in. So you can see here the door doesn't quite shut, but that's a simple fix. Got to get an extension for the leg, which will lift the height of the roof up. We obviously got clearance there, we're just got to get the roof a bit higher. The other issue was I was going to take the legs back to the bus, but yeah, they'll just get in the way. Just got to go along and secure the actual awning to these mounting brackets. Pretty simple, 2-second job. Can go out a bit further, but I've got a table in the way there. But yeah, nice and simple for making coffee or what have you. Bit of shade, good for bloody when it's raining. Takes about 2 seconds to pack up as well. So subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment below if you like. We'd like to hear some feedback. And thanks for watching.